viewing my videos, so listen to me, my friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos with your friends now as the first, and let's start. Why you can find the full video and everything about this video is the real reason and everything about it. Exactly the reason is the copyright strikes. The full video is protected with copyrights. If you didn't know, now you know that you can't watch the full video from this reason. So save your time, don't waste it. You can find the full video and just it. Put the like on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video with your friends.